This digital product has made at least $48,558, and in this video, I'm going to break down how you can make something similar. I'll also show you how to make 4 other digital incomes that are easy and beginner-friendly to make, which all have similar potential to make you unlimited passive income. If you want an even deeper, more detailed blueprint with expert advice on how to sell your digital products to hundreds of thousands of people, click the link in the description. This will give you access to all the information you'll ever need, masterclasses, and advice from successful sellers who are making at least 6 figures a year from their digital products. Digital Product 1. The first product we're making is clip art. So what is clip art? It's a set of small, simple images people use for crafting, designing invitations, making worksheets, and more. Clip art is always in demand, especially during holidays or seasonal events like Christmas and New Year's. Let's start by coming up with ideas. Open ChatGPT and type something like, "Give me 20 popular themes for Christmas clip art." You'll get suggestions like Santa, snowflakes, stockings, candy canes, and Christmas trees. Pick about 10 ideas to create a solid set. Now, go to Leonardo AI. This is a free tool that generates amazing artwork based on your instructions. After signing up, you'll see a text box for your prompt. For example, if you're making a Christmas tree clip art, you might type a cartoon-style Christmas tree with ornaments, bright colors, transparent background, PNG format. Be as specific as possible because the more detail you include, the better the result. Once Leonardo AI creates a few options, pick one and download it. But here's the thing, AI-generated images aren't always perfect. You might notice small issues, like weird edges or colors that don't match your theme. That's where Canva comes in. Canva is free to use and perfect for cleaning up your designs. Open a blank canvas and upload your image to Canva. Click Edit Image and use the Background Remover tool to clean up any extra bits. You can also tweak the colors to make your set look more cohesive. Add pages to your Canva doc and repeat the same process for the remaining 9 clip art ideas. When you've created all 10 images, zip them into a folder. Now, let's talk about listing and pricing. Clip art bundles usually sell for $1 to $3 for about 10 designs, but you can increase the price if your set is more detailed, themed, or has more images. For example, a Christmas clip art bundle, 50 images, with reindeer, ornaments, and Santa hats, could be listed for $5. Use platforms like Etsy or Gumroad to sell your products, and use keywords such as printables, clip art, and Christmas in your title and description. Digital Product 2 next. We're making digital paper. What's digital paper? It's a patterned background that people use for scrapbooking, party decorations, or digital planners. Think of designs like polka dots, stripes, or seasonal patterns like snowflakes or fireworks. Start by picking a theme. Let's say you're making New Year's digital paper. Open ChatGPT and ask, "What are popular New Year's Eve patterns?" You'll get ideas like confetti, champagne glasses, stars, or metallic textures. Write down a few patterns to work with. Head back to Leonardo AI. This time your prompt might be a seamless pattern of gold and silver stars on a black background, high resolution. Download the design you like, then open Canva to test it. In Canva, create a new square canvas. 12 by 12 inches works great for digital paper. Upload your image, copy it, and tile it across the canvas by duplicating it. This lets you check if the pattern lines up properly. If it doesn't, use Canva's alignment tools to adjust it until it looks seamless. Save each pattern as a high-quality JPEG or PNG. Group 8 to 10 designs into a set and price it at $3. To make your listing more appealing, create themed bundles like New Year's metallic patterns or Christmas digital paper pack. Buyers love it when everything in the set matches. And again, the more designs you can add to the bundle, the higher you can charge. Digital Product 3. Now let's move on to affirmation cards. These are small cards with positive messages that people use for motivation or self-care. They're popular as gifts or personal tools, and they're really simple to make. Start with your affirmations. Open ChatGPT and type, "Give me 50 short affirmations for daily positivity and self-confidence." You'll get examples like, "I am strong and capable." Pick the ones that resonate most with your theme, like positivity, mindfulness, or productivity. Next, head to Canva. Search for card templates and pick a size. 3 by 5 inches is standard for affirmation cards. Choose a template with a design that matches your theme. For something calm and cute, use soft pastel colors and simple fonts. For something bold, go for bright colors and modern fonts. Type 1 affirmation per card and add small decorations like stars, flowers, or watercolor splashes to make the cards visually appealing by searching for graphics in the Elements tab. Once your set is ready, save it as a printable PDF. Try to make your affirmation cards targeted instead of generic, so you can do affirmations for moms or motivational quotes for entrepreneurs. This will help you stand out. Digital Product 4. Now let's create coloring pages. These are perfect for kids and adults. Kids love coloring as a fun activity, and adults find it relaxing. Coloring pages pages are also great for seasonal themes, like Christmas or winter scenes. Start with a theme. For kids, you could do Santa and Friends with simple cartoon-style characters. For adults, try something more detailed, like holiday mandalas. You can ask ChatGPT for ideas. What are fun Christmas themes for coloring pages? Write down the ones you like. Open Leonardo AI and type in a detailed prompt. For kids, you might say, a cute cartoon-style Santa holding a gift. Black and white line art for coloring. For adults, try a detailed mandala with Christmas ornaments. Black and white line art. Download the images, and if they're not high quality, use a free AI tool like Upscale to upscale them. In Canva, create a blank multi-page document in A4 size. Add one image per page and arrange them neatly. You can also include a cover page, like 20 Christmas coloring pages for kids and adults. Save the whole set as a PDF. You can price this for around $5, but you can charge more if you have more pages or more detailed designs. Digital Product 5. Finally, we've got preschool learning materials. The easiest to start with is educational flashcards for teaching kids colors, numbers, shapes, or animals. Parents and teachers love these because they're both fun and educational. Decide on a topic. Let's say you're making cards for animals. Ask ChatGPT, what are 20 common animals preschoolers should learn? You'll get a list like cat, dog, lion, and elephant. Open Canva and search for flashcard templates. Pick a colorful, kid-friendly design. For each card, add an illustration of the animal by going to Elements, typing in the name of the animal, choosing one, then dragging and dropping it into your canvas. Then write the name underneath in big, clear text. Use bright primary colors to keep things fun and engaging for kids. Add extra details, like the animal's sound. For example, for a lion, you could add roar in a small speech bubble. When your set is complete, save it as a printable PDF. You can sell this bundle for about $5 or more, especially if you group similar topics into bundles, like farm animals and pets, or colors and shapes. And that's it. 5 beginner-friendly digital products you can start selling today. These are fun to make, and once you upload them, they can keep earning you money on autopilot. If you have any questions about how to sell and create these digital products, or if you want to learn more specific prompts and hacks, click the link in the description to join our free Wealthy Club school community. Inside, we share exclusive tips and updates on making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. It's completely free, and you'll be surrounded by people who are also making money online like you, so check that out. Which digital product on this list are you thinking of creating and selling? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.